So this is our last day here in Zamboanga del Sur, particularly here in
Malaki.
Malave. Barangay Malave? O munisipyo?
Munisipyo.
Oo, munisipyo Timulave. Hulo. Barangay Jolo. Hulo? Oo. Tapos nandito po kami ngayon sa Casa Maria na kung saan walking distance lang yung bahay ng boss namin. It's our second room and I'm with Pastor Kyle here. The payat. Hindi ko nang payat. Wala ang payat mo na my friend. Grabe. Tapos yung sa akin full moon na yung mukha ko. Ganun. Naku, hindi na talaga maganda ito mangyari. Kailangan magpapayat na ako. Ano ba sikreto my friend para pumayat?
You just have to wake up early, sleep early, and then work out for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, and every day, and then consume as like how the Japanese consume their food. And with that, you're gonna get healthy, and you're gonna get fit instantly. So
What?
that's it.
What's the Japanese way?
If you're 80% full, stop eating.
Ay? So don't go back for another refill?
Exactly.
How about the water intake?
Water, drink as much as you can.
No colored juices?
No. You look at me, I'm not drinking even soft drinks.
Oh my dear. Oh, you drank this yesterday.
Huh?
You tasted the soft drinks yesterday.
I didn't.
Or once lang. You can cheat once one.
No?
Ala. Look at him. Oh, it's so thin. So petite.
Thin.
Yun na yun. Thin. It's so petite and with the... There's no deltoids and ano yet. What do you call that one? The biceps and triceps. But it's so fit. Diba? And look at my face. It's so bilugan. So, as what Ma'am Small Laude says, no bashing, but I will copy. No judging. Different school, different pronunciation, so don't judge. So what are you doing? Your duty?
No, I'm working for NPUC.
Wow, very faithful worker of Hope Channel. He's aiming to be the guard. The guard, the one that will pindot the door in the NPUC so you can enter. It's a big position also. You're still receiving 35,000 monthly. Diba? Para akong para tayong inahin. Ako yung ina, tapos ikaw sisiw. Ang payat mo na, my friend. Look at that. Oh, Diba? Hindi siya na ang payat. Hindi siya na ang payat. Diba? Nakilala ko yan, parang ano lang yan. Agbut-butog pa lang. Bagyo-bagyo lang yan. Nagtataksi-taksi lang. Hindi pa ngayon nagtataksi kasi hindi siya marunong magtaksi. Ano dyan, jeep lang. Ay, what's that? How's your sleep, my friend? Did you snore?
You did.
I did? Were you able to sleep?
Yep.
O kasi you slept first before me. But it's cold, no?
No.
How about the other night? We had a good sleep?
Yep.
Kasi nauuna siyang natutulog, nakaka-visit siya. O diba, maltreating people. Keep on hating. No, we are in one bed but we are like brothers. I'm not doing anything. I'm a good person.
You don't necessarily say it in public, gosh.
I'm not, this is for only for personal lang video. Because we are here in Molave. Were you able to see the Molave tree?
Yeah, many times. It's been around the places. That's why it's called Malave.
No, according to them, there's only 2.
No, 4. Left.
How come I did saw the Molave
You
tree?
didn't saw, you didn't see.
Siso. Kasi siso yun, pwede ka magsiso. Eh, tigil-tigilan mo ako. I didn't see the Molave tree. Ang nakita ko dyan yung acacia tree. Kaya ang palitan na nila yung barangay dito, acacia, barangay, acacia. Diba? Nadalos mo lang kanal na to si ka. Sipo mo lang. Diba? We prepared durian yesterday for prep for the tsaka daing. 8 kilos lang yun sa atin, Ilang durian gusto mo? Bibigyan kita ng durian.
2 containers.
I bought those durian for 2,000 plus and I'll give it to you. You're so madaya. Kasi
So many.
you're so man. And he's asking me pa the raketa. Kana mo naman napakagwapo, no? Yung Dylos.
I didn't say I'm handsome.
Pero aminin mo, gwapo talaga siya.
Hindi na ako ba?
Para mo naman kay di ba? Yung paborito mo dyan kay, paborito ni Danilo. No, napaka-mean niya, You're so man. Ikaw na ang payat. Oo. Di ba? Dahil sa payat ka, madali lang mag-computer na ganyan. Pero pag mataba ka, mahirap, my friend. Minutes lang. Hirap mag-computer na kaupo na ganyan. Pabali ba ng computer, oy? Ilang words per minute, Kakal?
66.
Wow. So biblical. Keep on keeping me. But I missed it. I miss our friendship. Because when he left Baguio, for 2 weeks, I'm parang nag-shock. Tapos 3 weeks, wala na, nabibisit na ako, wala na akong friend. Nahirap na mga friend ko si Pancho, di ba? Ano to, lalabas kami, mag-Bible study kami, gano'n. At least in, in good work na. Mag-25 na yan sa October. Ba?
No.
Oy, turning 25 na, oy.
Makano?
Turning 24. October 16, di ba? Siya yung pinakamayaman actually sa amin, sa DEI.
I would rather listen.
Lusin Dylos. Diba? Ano ang na-miss mo, my friend, sa Baguio?
The cold weather.
Cold weather. Ay, ganun. How about food?
Oh yeah, food is
What is your favorite food? Your favorite food. Kasi nandito ka naman na sa lowlands. What's your favorite food? The pares.
No, we have Paris naman dun sa kanya.
No, the pares that we ate before in NPUC, masarap. With the tokwa, di ba? And chicharon.
Chicharon.
Vegetarian chicharon. Sa tagal mo na sa NPUC, my friend, nakapagluto ka na.
Yeah.
Wala kang kitchen doon sa inyo eh.
Kilate apple.
Wow, iba din. Diba? Mayroon silang What is your favorite na ngayon? Pastime? Or favorite?
Badminton.
Hindi lang yung favorite. Addict talaga sa badminton, my friend.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah. Ilang days ka na din nakapag-badminton?
Almost, kung na. 5 days na. Kasi 5 days na yan. Bukas.
5 days na pala tayong wala sa Pwede sa tayo. So, tonight, you will play badminton?
We'll see if there is.
No, let's play kahit sa labas lang.
Ay, wala. May hangin.
Ay, ganun.
I'm gonna play tomorrow morning.
I will travel na tonight.
Yeah, you should.
Kasi I'll be traveling to ano na.
Sorry.
Look at him, oh. So payat-payat na. Diba?
Yung bakla ka.
Malis na siya. Pero, parang napansin ko panay ang ihin niya. Diabetic ka, friend. Ano, tawag doon, nandito kasi kami nagpunta kami sa Osamis. This is part of a DEI training program. Ano ba purpose na dito tayo, friend? What's the purpose why we are here?
Sino?
Dito tayo sa kakandak tayo ng
Digital Evangelism Workshop. Hey Jackson, please don't point the camera.
And-
The aim is for us to train more people to become
active and
digital evangelist enthusiasts.
men missionaries,
Digital evangelist enthusiasts.
And the next, the next trouble will be in
The next trouble will be in. They say it's Iloilo, but we don't know if we're gonna join that.
Iloilo. That's a little bit far. How about your, how's your experience with the plane?
Very wonderful, exciting.
Diba? Dati hindi pa siya nakasakay ng aeroplano. Ngayon sa masakay, ikaw na ang medyo nakakaangat-angat ng konti.
Yeah, just like this year, I've been traveling, and
Wow.
later it's my 8th time to ride the airplane going back to Manila.
Wow, iba din. Ba't hindi pa niya na-try magbarko?
Excuse me, I did when we went to Mindoro.
O di ikaw na ang
I experienced all sorts of transportation already.
helicopter. Not yet.
Oh yeah, helicopter. I didn't yet.
How about in Pasay? You know already the how to ride public rides. You're not afraid anymore.
Huh?
You're not afraid anymore.
No more.
Hinatid ko pa yan sa NPUC. Jusero. Alam naman niya pala. Nagod pa ako. Kung iwan ko lang yung raketa sa'yo, ingatan mo yun.
Malamang. Ano bang kan ko gagamitin mo? Hindi ba? Ingat, hindi ba?
Diba gagawin? Tapos iwi ko na rin yung pag-uwi ko. Yung fake. Pwede? Pero yung yung original na old sa'yo na.
Pwede na.
Okay. Kasi we will play My Friend in Baguio. Para naman kami, my friend. Umayat-payat na kami kasi para alam mo na, ang buhay natin, kailangan tayong mag-exercise para humaba-haba ang ating buhay.
Or else we're gonna die soon.
Ang dami nga nating pera, hindi naman natin di ba? Actually, tama lang yung pera namin. May binibili pa ng property yung friend ko. Naku, nangangailangan pa ng 300,000. My friend, ako pang ginagambala mo. Char. Why? Ganyan-ganyan yan. But he will be graduating soon in the, in one of the prestige school in Asia. Our very own institution school, the Adventist University of the Philippines, and he'll be graduating. I don't know kung ano yung kanyang flying colors.
Michael.
Wow. In-announce na ba?
Hindi pa, pero nasunod.
Diba? Pero naniniwala ako makukunin. And his graduation will be this coming next month, May 24. 15 pa rin kayo, my friend.
May 25.
15 pa rin kayo na mag-graduate. Oh, but you started how many of you in the class during the first day?
30 plus.
Di ba nahati? And
I'm gonna finish this thing.
no, they will finish the program of masters in
Business administration, major in business management.
o di ba, mga pastor yan, mga major business nila. Because they will be managing people. Anyway, dear friends, this is your friend Jackson. I'm with my friend Pastor Kyle, the Great. And let us always remember to live a life that is tatlo lang. That is healthy, happy, and
Joyous.
joyous. Parang happy na yung joyous, my friend. Parang redundant naman. Holy life with God. Please do like and subscribe. Oh, diba? First time. Wait, ito na, last na. How's your first time here in Mindanao? Ay, it's not your first time.
This is my first time.
O di, ikaw na ang nag-travel. O diba? Ikaw na yung nagpunta dito first time sa Mindanao. Naglaki ng maleta mo. Naharang pa sa airport. Visit ng mga... Hindi pa nakuha yung strawberry jam ng mga pasalubong. Tapos binitbit ko na lang yung bag ko ng ano. Parang eco bag na lang na puti na ano. Para akong kawawa sa airport. Tapos sila na sa aeroplano na, o diba, nabibwisit na high blood. Ito yung klaseng kilala ko na tao na ano, small things pinapalaki niya sa ano, high blood. Pero ganyan lang talaga yan. Parang kapatid ko na yan, my friend. Walang kamalis-malis. Kapatid lang talaga. Char. Muli ang iyong kaibigan. Nag-uulat muna dito sa South. South, di ba? South. Jackson Claudio. Ay, okay. Bye-bye, dear friends. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. See you, Luzon, in few hours. Bye!